Welcome to my channel. So glad you are here. Today we are going to talk about a project that is near and dear to my heart. It is all about creating a space for rest and renewal right within your own four walls. We are going to build a home sauna. A sauna is more than just a hot room. It is a sanctuary. It is a quiet corner where you can let go of the day's worries, breathe deep, and find a little bit of peace. This project is for anyone who dreams of a retreat at home. You do not need to be a master carpenter. You just need a little bit of time, some simple tools, and a heart for creating something beautiful and lasting for your family. We will break it down into simple steps, slow and steady, so every piece is just right. Alright, let us gather supplies. For the heart of your sauna, choose something special. Cedar is a classic choice. It smells incredible and naturally resists moisture. Spruce is another wonderful option with a light color and clean scent. You will need tongue and groove boards for the walls and ceiling. For benches, use smooth, sturdy lumber in a sauna-friendly wood. To hold warmth in, use foil-faced rigid foam or rock wool. Both handle heat very well. Add an aluminum foil vapor barrier to protect your home from moisture. Use cement backer board behind the heater for extra fire protection. The star is the heater. An electric unit is simple and reliable. Get the right size and add sauna stones if required. You do not need a fancy shop, just basics, a tape measure, and a level. A circular saw or even a handsaw for clean, accurate cuts. A trusty drill, a hammer, a utility knife for insulation and foil, and a caulk gun for sealing gaps. Finish with a proper outward opening sauna door, low and high vents, a sauna-rated light, thermometer, and hygrometer. Okay, it is time to start. Clear the corner you chose and strip to bare studs. Inspect the floor and walls. Everything should be solid and dry. Repair any damage now. Choose a dry, level spot, basement, garage, or a large bathroom corner. Most saunas use electric heat. Bring in a licensed electrician. Safety first. Frame new walls and a ceiling with 2x4 lumber. Measure twice, cut once. Keep corners square and walls plumb. Use your level as the guide. Space studs about 16 inches on center. Perfect pockets for insulation. With the frame up, you can see the true size. Cut insulation to fit. Foil-faced boards or rock wool. Fit insulation snugly in walls and ceiling, with no gaps, for efficient, cozy heat. Staple foil vapor barrier over studs. Cover every inch, walls and ceiling. Overlap seams a few inches, and seal with high-temperature foil tape for a complete moisture seal. It may look like a spaceship, but this shiny cocoon is the secret to a long-lasting, healthy sauna. This is my favorite part. Time for beautiful wood paneling. We will use tongue and groove boards, cedar or spruce. Start on one wall and work around the room. Use stainless steel nails or screws. They will not rust or streak. Fit each groove over the tongue and tap gently for a snug, level fit. The shiny foil disappears, replaced by rich natural grain and that wonderful aroma. At corners, windows, or vents, measure carefully and make precise cuts. Details make it feel professional. Continue on all walls, then the ceiling for a warm wooden cocoon. Before finishing paneling, prep the heater area. Install cement backer board behind the heater for a non-combustible barrier. Leave the specified air gap and follow the manufacturer's clearance instructions to the letter. Have a licensed electrician run the proper wire from the panel and install the correct breaker, and pull wiring for the vapor-proof light. Then finish paneling around the ready wiring. Every good sauna needs a place to sit, rest, and soak in the warmth. A simple, effective design uses 2 bench levels. The upper bench is hotter for a deep sweat. The lower bench is milder and a handy step. Build benches with the same sauna-safe wood or another smooth, comfortable hardwood. Make sturdy frames from 2x4s, anchored to wall studs. Add front legs if you want extra stability. Plan the top bench around 34 to 36 inches high, and the lower bench about 18 inches, like a standard chair. Use smooth 1x4 boards for the seating surface. Leave about a half-inch gap between boards for airflow and drainage. Attach boards from below, so no hot screw heads on top. Round all edges and check by hand for a smooth, splinter-free finish. These sturdy, smooth benches are ready to welcome you. A proper sauna door has no lock, uses a gentle catch, and must open outward. A small, tempered glass window adds brightness and safety. Install 2 vents, a low intake under the heater, and a high exhaust on the opposite wall. Gentle circulation prevents stuffiness and evens out the heat. Adjustable vents help you fine-tune comfort. Use a sauna-rated sealed light, often mounted under a bench for a soft, indirect glow. Never use a standard fixture. Your electrician already ran the wire. Just connect and mount securely. Mount a thermometer and a hygrometer away from the door and heater for accurate readings. If your heater takes water, add a wooden bucket and ladle. Install simple hooks outside for towels and robes. These final elements turn a beautiful wooden room into a fully functioning home spa. The moment has arrived. Before your first session, commission the sauna safely. Turn the heater on low and warm up slowly. Stay nearby and observe. A slight wood and oil smell is normal and fades after a few uses. Ensure the heater guardrail is secure. The light works with its cover on, and the thermometer registers rising heat. Keep a bucket of water and a fire extinguisher just outside. It is always better to be prepared. Cure the stones and run a full heat cycle for about 1 hour, then let it cool completely. For your first session, keep it short and gentle, about 10 to 15 minutes. Sit on a towel on the lower bench, breathe, and notice the warmth and the wood scent. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, step out and hydrate before and after. After use, wipe benches with a damp cloth and air out the room.